Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about planogram over at the Dollar General. And if your store has nothing in clearance, this is definitely a video for you. Before I really dive into it, I want to give a special shout out and thank you to Champs88 and Courtney. I'm not going to say her last name in case she doesn't want that on YouTube. Both Instagram friends who helped me a lot with this video. They provided me with a ton of information about planogram. Like, what is POG? It is these goofy orange stickers found at the Dollar General. And for the last two clearance events, the staff have not put them up at my store, but finally they started to appear. So I'm going to explain this, and if your store again has nothing in clearance, you can at least find these planogram items. So the first one we're going to do is a little tutorial on this, on planogram. So right now, if you scan the UPC for this Clover Valley toaster pastry, it's going to be 90 cents. When the clearance event starts, depending what your market is, Friday or Saturday, it's actually going to be 45 cents. And then if it's a 70% off store, it's going to be, I think, like 27 cents. So here is the UPC. And for all the products we're talking about, I'm providing you the UPC. So if you want to open up your Dollar General app to scan, you'll see it at 90. So right now, 90, when it's if your region is 50%, it'll be 45. If your region is 70%, it'll be 27 cents. And you can figure all this out through the Dollar General app. So pretty easy to do and some tremendous savings on food. Now, if I didn't catch your attention with the first one, let's talk about some free oatmeal. So this is $1.80, and it's part of this, it's POG, it's stickered. So here is the little barcode, so scan that. You have an expiry date right until June that you can enjoy all of this oatmeal. Now, if you scan this, there is a $2 off $2 General coupon. And that will reduce down to cost. There is no overage with these store coupons, just to note that, in case people are like, oh, it's going to be some crazy overage. No, it just gets reduced down to cost. So grabbing two of those oatmeals, it'll be $1.80, guys, when the clearance event starts in your region. And subtracting that 2 off of 2, it's basically free. No overage with this little dealio. This is really spectacular, this Angel Soft Fresh Evergreen. So this looks very Christmassy, but it wasn't a Carter. Here is the UPC. Right now, this product is exactly 50% off. We're going to look at a 50% off cost and then a 70% off cost, depending what your store might have. If you're scanning this into the app, it's $2.75 for this Angel Soft toilet paper. And then when it hits 50%, either Friday or Saturday, it'll be $1.37. If your store is 70% off, it'll be 83 cents for this 6-pack. So this right here is the beauty of a 70% off store. But even at 50% off, this toilet paper is going to go really, really quick. And some stores, there's quite a few, so I would look all over for this. Another really great deal with the planogram tags is this Dove hand soap. So see, 10% off. So even if your store isn't tagged, I'm providing you guys with all of the UPCs so you know what to look for in the store. So here are the UPCs for both of the different flavors of the soap. I don't know what you call them, but the different scents. And here is the second barcode. So we have a $1 digital coupon for this product. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. So grabbing one of these, like if you scan it right now, it's $3.60. So 50% off store will be $1.80. Subtracting that dollar coupon, it's 80 cents. At a 70% off store, it'll be $1.08. 8 cents for a hand soap. So that is really, really terrific. Now let's talk a little bit about some overage deals. You're really going to have to pay attention for this one. This one we're grabbing, this Chic Classic at 25% off. There's another one that we usually always grab for $4, but this is the one that we want. So I'm going to provide you guys with the UPC if you wish to scan it in the app. Okay, and this digital coupon is attaching with this. So if you haven't used it, this is a great way to use it. So if you scan that UPC right now, it's $4.13. At a 50% off store, it'll be $2.06. Subtracting that $3 digital, it makes it free plus 93 cents of overage. If your store is 70% off, I'm not going to go through the math for all of this. It will be $1.77 of overage if you can find a 70% off store. Hey, the Toms of Maine, 25% off. It's the activated charcoal toothpaste. Here is the UPC. As you can see, this tube has expired, so I would get one in the back because that's, expired toothpaste. We have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching with this product. So here's the deal. So this toothpaste, if you scan the barcode right now, is $3.75. Either Friday or Saturday when the clearance event starts, it'll be $1.87. Subtracting the dollar digital, you're paying 87 cents. Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate on this specific product at the Dollar General. It makes it 37 cents. If your store is 70% off, it makes it a 37-cent money maker. So just follow the math here. So for the rest of the video, we're just going to look at products at 50% because I think most of the stores will be 50%. So more planogram shampoo is the Tresemme, 10% off. So here are the UPCs for the shampoo and conditioner, and all this stuff is found on the regular shelf, so they're not in some clearance aisle in the back of the store. So grabbing 2 of them, it will be $3.75 whenever the clearance event begins. Now there's a promotion on this shampoo, which is buy 2, get $3 off automatically. You don't have to load a coupon or anything for that, so it'd make it 75 cents for the 2 shampoos. Now, Legos are always included. This one was $13, and as you can see, it's part of POG, so it'll be $5.85. We're looking again at a 50% off store. And here is the UPC for this fun little Lego set. Frozen, how cute is that? Tons of bathing products. This Mr. Bubbles will be $1.24, so if you have some kids, I mean, that's a really good price point. No coupons, though, unfortunately, but here is the UPC. And I think those little bath bombs were like $1 and some change. You'll have to scan it at the store. I didn't grab a photo. Dr. Teal's coconut oil, $2.25. Again, we do not have a digital coupon for this, but I know a lot of people will pay $5 upwards for that product. Here is the UPC. Okay, the Suave, we're going to get 2 for 80 cents for this grapefruit exfoliation magic one. I'm going to show you the UPC, and we have a digital coupon that is going with. Here is the UPC if you want to give it a quick scan so you can load the exact coupon. Again, this is found on a regular shelf, and here is the digital coupon that is working with this little dealio. Again, we have the same dollar off too, so we're going to grab 2 of these Suave hairsprays. After everything, it's going to be $1.70 for the 2. And here is the UPC if you wish to scan it into the app. Definitely use the app when you're in the store and scan everything to make sure you're grabbing the right items when you're out there shopping. Now, this is a weird one. Prel and Pert, $1.35 or $1.48. Neither have coupons or anything like that, but a lot of people in my family, like older people, want these 2 shampoos, and for whatever reason, kind of not in the supply chain right now, or there's not a really big move to make more Prel shampoo. So this might be a way to stock up if you have somebody that really loves this shampoo. And $1.55 for tea gel shampoo if you have psoriasis, ouchies in your hair. I usually buy these from my mom, and they're anywhere between $6 to $8. So $1.55, they're practically giving this away. The store that I found a huge display of this, I'm going to go and buy every last one for my mom because that's a great deal. Now we're going to talk about some food. We have some Pop-Tarts for $1.53 when the clearance event begins, and I'm going to provide you guys with the UPC. All of these like little Pop-Tarts, little pastries on the go, so many of them have the tags, so really scour that area. We have some Pillsbury birthday cake bars. How delicious are those? That's $1.33. You know, just something to throw in your purse, or if your kids like it for their lunch, or like a quick little breakfast. You know what I'm saying? It's just a fun little thing. And we have the Pop-Tarts for $1.01. If you might have some manufacturer coupons to throw in with any of these deals, I mean, by all means, go for it. There are no digitals at this time. And here is the UPC for this guy. And we have some Clover Valley fruit bite cereal for $1.35. So if you have some teenagers who are just eating all of your cereal, this might be a time to stock up, and here is the UPC for this one. So hopefully I didn't confuse you guys too much and you have an understanding of POG. For a lot of you that just cannot find the clearance that I'm talking about found in the clearance section, this video has a ton of information as well about the event. Please watch it. But POG might be an alternative that everybody can participate in this event, and most of these items are found at your Dollar General. Good luck, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.